Welcome to another episode of Hold or Sell, where we talk about the latest and greatest in sneaker releases, if you should hold or sell the sneaker or not, and my rationale behind my decision making. Today, we are going to be talking about the Tiffany & Co. Nike Air Force 1 collaboration, and everything that you need to know about reselling the sneaker. Let's get on with the video now. Now, these sneakers made a monumental wave in the sneaker industry from the second that it was teased on the Tiffany & Co. Instagram page. Sneakerheads were in two minds the minute they found out about the exorbitant retail price of the sneakers, coming in at $400 USD. Now, of course, these are just a regular pair of Air Force Ones that have been given the luxury treatment with some nice 925 sterling silver accents, a nice Tiffany blue swoosh, and other materials that give it that luxury edge. Obviously nowhere near justifying the $400 USD price tag, but obviously since it was a hype sneaker, the hype sneaker did sell. There was only rumored to be 1,837 pairs of the sneaker released. Obviously I have my doubts on if that production number is true or not. Obviously rumors are rumors, we can never really know about how many sneakers were manufactured. But the one thing that surprised me is that there were a lot of allegations that one sneaker botter was able to cop 750 pairs of the sneaker before anybody else could. Now, I made my own TikTok on that, and I thought that it was crazy. I don't think that it's real, but obviously things are misspread online on social media, but I thought that it was a really interesting thing to talk about, and I think I saw a representative of Nike or Tiffany did end up denying those rumors that there was someone that botted that many pairs. So more information about the sneaker is that there's a rumored sterling silver, solid 925 sterling silver outer box that's able to be purchased upon request at specific Tiffany & Co. retail stores. Obviously, I think that if you're buying the sneaker, you know exactly what you're doing. You don't care about the sneaker quality for say, you just care about the brand identity and what the sneakers mean, the hype and the iconic image that it presents. Now, taking a look at the sneaker itself, it does give me very basic vibes to it. It's just a normal black Air Force 1 with a nice Tiffany swoosh. Actually, if you did miss out on this pair and did want to wear a more affordable version that mimics and emulates it, you can probably just go to like a Nike by You, a Nike ID website. You could probably just customize a normal black nubuck leather Air Force 1 with just a Tiffany blue swoosh, and boom, you've got it already for like a tenth of the price. Now, with all of the basic information out of the way, I did want to talk about the resale predictions and investment insights and the prices that I think the sneaker is going to go to. Now, I just want to start off by saying this: if you're going to plan to purchase the sneaker at resale price in order to make a decent profit along the way, I'll strictly advise you against doing that. Prices are crazy right now, and if you look on StockX, they're hovering at around the 1,800 Australian dollar to around 2,200 Australian dollars for certain sizes, and for a sneaker that was around a 400 USD or 500 Australian dollar retail price, that's already done a 4x. So I don't think that there's any room for considerable profit in relation to the cost of an investment for you to put in. But if you did manage to cop this pair for retail, it's a different story. If you did want to snag up that extra resale price premium of around a 4x on your return on investment, I would advise you to take the money now and invest it in other things that can elevate your return over time. Obviously, there's only so high that the sneaker can go up to, and I do think $2,000 is a fair price. Obviously, it might go up to $2,500, but at that point, you are making very micro gains in the long term. That $2,000 is better used to sell and invest into other assets that can then generate money for your business. So in my humble opinion, just because of the nice and very generous resale prices that these sneakers have been getting, I do think that this is a strict sell now and not hold. Obviously, it will go up in the long term, but as to the growth of it surpassing 2,000 Australian dollars, I don't think that it will go that much higher. So what, is it going to go up to $3,000? $4,000? I don't see that happening. Obviously, the dead stock pairs are going to be going up in value just because of how limited this release was. But I do think if you cop this for retail, it's a very good idea just to sell now and secure your profits whilst all of the hype on the sneaker is still relevant and apparent. But yeah, within 12 to 18 months, I do see the sneaker going and plateauing at around a price of 2,500 Australian dollars, may hit prices of around 2,800 Australian dollars, but that is determined on the sneaker sizes that you do cop. I do think smaller sizes is actually a very good and underrated pick here, and obviously you've got the larger sizes for the men out there. Yeah, this can cater to both the male and the female demographic, so whatever you choose to do is up to you. But yeah, that'll pretty much wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoyed and learned something new. If you did, make sure to comment down your thoughts on the sneaker itself. I'll see you guys in another video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Take care and peace out.